What's up, guys? Collin Coates from Built to Wander, out east at the Uwharrie National Forest with a good friend and his Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. We recently set this truck up with a series of upgrades. We've got a set of 8112 Bilstein Shock Absorbers underneath it, along with some all-new Nitto Recon Grapplers. Now that we've made those upgrades, we want to get it out on the trail, talk about how well they work and how much they improve the performance of this truck, both on and off-road. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the Driving Line channel. Let's get after it.
What's going on? I'm Drew, and behind me is my 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This is my daily driver, and having recently moved about an hour outside of Uwharrie National Forest where we are today, I really wanted to outfit this vehicle to be able to explore this type of terrain with my family. And so I reached out to my buddy Collin at Built to Wander, and luckily he steered me in the right direction. So I've since installed a set of Bilstein 8100 series shocks, front and rear, paired with a set of Nitto Recon Grapplers. And we're here at the Uwharrie National Forest to really test it out and explore this area. All right, a little backstory to how we got here. So for about 2 years, I ran an inferior suspension setup that ended up failing on me and really resulted in a poor ride quality. And so I kind of forced my hand to replace them. And so after doing some research and considering options, obviously I reached out to Collin at Built to Wander, and he guided me to really consider the Bilsteins. They're top of the line performance and really will give you peace of mind. And so I did just that. I went ahead and put 8100 series shocks on all four corners, paired them with a set of Nitto Recon Grapplers, and I'm just blown away. After putting about 2,000–3,000 miles on road, I'm just really impressed with the smooth ride quality and the everyday drivability of this vehicle. And again, giving me peace of mind that it'll last the life of the truck as a daily driver. And then today, we went ahead and checked out Uwharrie National Forest. I'm new to this area, and so I'm really stoked to have this in my backyard. And we went ahead and hit a couple trails today, and just really wanted to test this thing out, see what kind of adjustability is in these shocks. And wow, there's more than I need, but at the end of the day, it was really fun and enjoyable to be able to have that capability and really future-proof this vehicle. And then the tires, the Nittos are just unbelievable grip in all conditions. We actually hit a pretty good rainstorm on the way here, and then the trails, rocks, mud, dirt, no issues at all. They're just a great tire for me to really just have full confidence in all terrain and be able to take this truck to wherever I want to go and explore this area. And I really just can't wait to do more of that. So now that I've got out here and tested the performance of this truck, and with Uwharrie right in my backyard, I really just can't wait to do more exploring and testing and really just enjoying the capability of this vehicle.
All right, just finished up an awesome day on the trails. My first time out at Uwharrie. I've heard a lot of great things about this area. So one, stoked to be out here. A second, stoked that Andrew loves his new setup on the Toyota Tacoma behind me, and really stoked with the parts we put on it. It's a pretty simple build, but the parts that we've added make a big difference. Starting with the Bilstein 8100 series shocks. So the front are the 8112 coilovers. They've got zone control and dual speed adjustability for compression. So you can really change the stiffness of the ride by just a click of a knob. And I love that. It makes it really easy to go out and adjust these. Andrew actually played around with them a little bit today while we were hitting the trails and found that happy medium. And so that's kind of a cool feature to have. But the cool thing about these shocks isn't just the adjustability. One, they're handmade right here in the USA, in California, and the team that makes these shocks are unbelievable people. Two, they have ride height adjustability, so Andrew could lift this thing up to about 2.5 inches if he wanted to. And the adjustability is by the threaded rod end instead of a threaded collar on the body. So it actually makes the shock body stronger. And then the zone control in these front coilovers is really amazing. So if we look at the dyno chart for these 8112 coilovers, you'll notice that there's 3 zones in compression and 2 in rebound. So in that ride zone, zone 1 for compression, that's your comfort zone. That's where you're feeling that nice smooth ride. And then as the shock is compressing, you've got the jounce cutoff 1 and jounce cutoff 2 zones. And that's where it really is going to help kind of soften that blow as you fully compress that shock. And then you look at rebound, you've got your ride zone. As the shock is extending, it's pretty comfortable. And then once it gets to almost that full extension, you've got your rebound cutoff, and the shock is going to basically soften that blow at full extension. So it's pretty amazing the way that Bilstein has designed these shocks. And the other thing you'll notice is that with the dual speed adjustments, if you've got them fully open, you'll see that there's actually a bit of a softer ride there in that ride zone for compression. And then if you fully close them, you get a stiffer ride. And you can see that in the dyno chart. So it's not just them throwing out these fancy lingos, hey, we've got all this adjustability. It's proven in the numbers and in the testing, and we felt it today on the trail, and I was blown away. The other cool thing about the truck build is these Nitto Recon Grapplers. It's a great all-terrain. Andrew drives this truck every day on the streets, and he does a lot less trail riding. So it's really important for him to have something that's going to do well on dry pavement and wet road conditions. Today we drove out to Uwharrie in a rainstorm, and this thing had plenty of traction. Then we get to the trails, they're a little wet. We've got some mud, some sand, even some rocks. The grip was unparalleled, and it's just something that I've come to know and love about Nitto. And at times I take it for granted, but I'm always reminded at just how stout these tires are in the Grappler series. But again, the Recon just seemed like the perfect fit for this truck. And I think this setup is really pretty dialed. It's gonna be a lot more capable for Andrew, and it'll get him out here to Uwharrie and other trails to go out, enjoy the outdoors, explore, and have a blast behind the wheel of his Toyota Tacoma. So there you guys have it. Drew's 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road is now complete with those Bilstein 8100 series shock absorbers on all 4 corners and a fresh set of Nitto Tire Recon Grapplers. Guys, I'm really impressed with this setup. It feels extremely well-mannered on road. It's extremely plush. And then off-road, it's an animal. I was blown away at how capable this truck was. It had all the grip in the world out here on the rocks, especially after some rain. And just the adjustability in those 8100 series shocks from Bilstein and that zone control, I'm so impressed with this setup. And as you can see, it's a pretty mild setup, yet this truck is extremely capable and will go anywhere Drew wants it to. Drop me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the setup, what your thoughts are on those Bilsteins, or if you have any questions about the Recon Grapplers. And as always, hit the like button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, wander on.
Thanks for watching Driving Line. If you guys like this video, consider subscribing to our channel so you'll never miss any of the content we create here. Whether you're into trucks, Jeeps, imports, domestic vehicles, or anything in between, we are here to fuel your passion. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys next time.